In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and style a form using custom CSS. We'll walk through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can create a form that not only works properly but also matches the look and feel of your site. This is especially useful if you want more control over the appearance of your form fields beyond the default design settings. First, add the form to your page. To do that, click the Add Block button represented by the plus icon and then select Form from the available block options. Once the form is added, place it in the section of the page where you want visitors to see it. This gives you the basic structure you'll be working with. Next, edit the form itself. Open the form settings and review the available fields. You can adjust the fields based on the type of information you want to collect, whether that's a name field, email field, message box, or something else already available in the form editor. While you're there, also look at the submission storage choices. This is where you decide how form responses will be handled and stored. Make sure the option you choose fits your workflow, since this affects where submissions go after a visitor sends the form. Once the form content and submission settings are ready, the next part is styling. Open Website Tools and go to Custom CSS. This area allows you to apply your own design rules or likes directly to elements on the site, including form inputs. If you want your form fields to look more polished or better aligned with your branding, this is where that happens. Now enter your CSS targets. For example, you can use a selector like .sqs block form input and then add a style such as border radius 8 px to give the input fields more rounded corners. This is a simple change, but it can make the form look softer and more modern. You can apply similar formatting to other parts of the form as needed, as long as you're targeting the correct elements. The key is to be precise with your selectors, so the styles apply only where you want them. After entering the CSS, save your changes. Once saved, go back and preview the form on the page to confirm the styling appears correctly. If something doesn't look right, double-check the selector and syntax in the custom CSS area. That's it. You've added a form, adjusted its settings, and customized its appearance with CSS so it feels more intentional and professional on your site.